Performing a hard reset. This is a powerful tool to know how to use if you are ever running into any trouble with your iPad. By doing this, it solves about 90% of problems that can occur. And don't worry, a hard reset will reboot your iPad without deleting anything. To do this, press and hold the power button and the home button at the same time until your iPad restarts. The power button will be located here. The home button is located here. Keep holding both buttons until the iPad restarts and you see the Apple reboot screen, seen here. After about 30 seconds, the iPad should restart and you'll be able to resume using your device.